Okay, now this is a very simple question, right? Very simple one. Now here w to the power 3125. Here just 3125, right? So what we have to do here, w has index. This also try to make has index. It's a very simple question actually. Here you can make 5 to the power 5, right? 5 to the power 5 is 325. Check it if you need 5 to the power 5 enter to calculate, and you can get the answer 3125, or 5 into 5 into 5, like that. If you multiply 5 itself 5 times, then it will be equal to 3125. Okay, here w 3125. Okay, then what we have to do, we know, very simple, this index multiply with this index, and again this index multiply with this. So I will do it here to show you. 1 over 5 multiply with 5. So what will happen here? 5 5 cut, right? You can think here 1, how many 5 then 5 1, how many 5 then 5 1. So basically here 1. So this with this, when you cut, it will be 5 to the power 1, or just keep 1. Then again you need to multiply 3125 into 1 over 5. That means this index multiply with this index. Normally inside the bracket you have terms, and again outside the bracket you have index. That means inside the bracket what the terms you have, those index of those terms you need to multiply with this index, outside index, right? So here how many 5 than 5 1, how many 5 than 3125 is 625, right? So here answer will be w to the power 625, right? Then after we can't simplify further, so this is the final answer for that. It's a very simple question.